This is Parikh from Ideal Institute of Technology. I'm super excited to share with you very out of the box concept when we're talking about AI for last 2 years since the chat GPT is becoming a phenomena, right? What is that gonna impact my life, day-to-day life? A lot of people have a questions. Social media is flooded with everything about creating a content. I can create a video, I can create an email, I can respond to the email, I can write a song. So many things that you can do with the AI. A lot of people made their business to talk about AI and how AI is going to take everybody's job. As a vocational school, we always think about how this can create job and this can provide work opportunity for our student. So I'm super excited. September 12th, we are launching Center for AI Technology at Ideal Institute of Technology, 1000 West Washington Avenue, Pleasantville, New Jersey. This is for our movement that AI is for everyone. And I have a whole different approach about what AI is and what AI can do for us on a day-to-day life as a career. So I want to take you guys back on when computer was invented and computer was becoming very norm in our day-to-day life. So computer did not take anybody's job. Computer did not cause a job loss. Computer increased the work opportunity. But those people who knew how to operate the computer, how to program, how to code, those people started replacing those employees who did know how to operate the computers, who did not know how to use the email, who did not know how to type, print instead of typewriter, use Microsoft Office. Then Google phenomena came. This is exact same moment that we're living in with AI. AI is not coming for anybody's job. AI is even providing an opportunity for you to be a superpower holder. So AI is not going to take anybody's job, but if you don't know AI, and then your company, your employer needs to use those tools, use those expertise, then they're going to have to look for either vendor, either contractor, or somebody else who can use that technology, and they're going to have to hire. So people who know AI, they will take your job. As a second chance school, as a workforce development partner, as the person who always think about how we can utilize technology to help our students, our youth getting into the industry, or our small business owners, they can utilize this technology and get to improve, grow, and scale their business. So Center for AI Technology is for all those people, whether you're a high school student, whether you're a teacher, you're an entrepreneur, small business owner. If you're in business, you're an employer, you don't need to create a lot of videos. You don't need to learn how to do the email. You need to learn how you can create your work processes of your own business. Whether you are a real estate broker, developer, attorney, doctors, restaurant owners, how you can use too many different AI tools to make your work easy, faster, cost effective. And for that, don't look for third party vendors on a TikTok or a Facebook or somewhere. Come to Ideal. We're going to be able to train your own existing employee, your workforce, or yourself. You know your business a lot more than anybody else. Then why go somewhere else and try to seek outside help, subscribe to too many different softwares, and try to learn? I always joke with everybody that if you are a restaurant chef, you know cooking, running a restaurant, then you should do that and let the professional do their job. If you need to drive a car, you don't need to go and learn how to build a car. You just need to learn how to drive a car. So there are a lot of developers, there are a lot of coders, there are a lot of program designers. Their job is to create tools. But then there are a million tools out there. Out of that million tools, which one will help you directly improve your business? Learn only those, have your employee learn only those, and develop your AI work process system for your own business. So instead of us selling everybody different type of a software subscription, our intent to be a center for AI technology for New Jerseyans, whether you are looking for job, upgrading your skill set, or you wanted to improve or implement AI technology in your day-to-day operation, Center for AI Technology will help you. Now I'll tell you how we'll help you. So we will be working with the industry sectors like a home improvement contractor, real estate developers. Now, if you're a home improvement contractor and you're working in a HVAC or you're working as an electrician or just the handyman jobs, what is your work process look like? You advertise, word of mouth, somebody try to reach out, you have the lead. You go to the client, you give them an estimate, you remind them, you do the measurement, then you give them a proposal, you actually do the job, and then you get paid. Think about it. For these type of things, how many different employees have to use, or how many different technology or how many different software you have to use. Now we can give you ideal system from a lead to invoicing. Your employee can use the AI technology. We can develop an AI call agent, but you don't have to buy that. We will give you for free. You just have to train your employee to use that. So now you never miss anybody's call. Think about this way, that how many different software or tools or a contractor you can replace with your own non-technical employee. Give superpower of AI to yourself or your employee. I always say AI is an equalizer. You don't need to depend on genius people. You don't need to be an artist. You don't need to be a content creator. Now AI can bring your ideas to reality. But when you're an entrepreneur, you're a business owner, your idea is for your own business. So you're running a youth program, like at Ideal, we run our school youth program. Now we have to remind a lot of things. The youth come in and they say, I want to apply, but then they get busy with their life. Now with our AI text messaging system, AI calling system, they can do the reminder just like a human calling. Says, hey, John, you came to Ideal and you inquire about the program, any other, just like a human conversation. But that's managed and built by our own youth who are getting a hands-on work experience in a program. So this is a crazy superpower that you guys can have. And that's our vision and goal by having a Center for Social Impact. We're not intending to create a big softwares, not intending to make you software developer. We do have those programs, but Center for AI Technology's vision and mission is that make AI available for a use case, day-to-day use case, for a productivity, not just to create a TikTok reel or being an influencer, but to smoothen and improve the day-to-day operation of any business to generate more dollar. So that's the Center for AI Technology is. Our system, we call it Ideal System. It's a CRM system. We customize from a productivity tool, and we give this instead of selling the system or buying the system. Biggest problem for most of the company is they buy the system. But then nobody knows how to operate the system. Then they have to hire somebody who knows how to operate the system. Then you have to teach them your business because they don't know. Whoever is outside help that you're hiring, they don't know your business. So you're buying the system, you're hiring the people who knows how to operate the system, and then you're spending time to teaching them your business. That's a lot of runaround and a lot of waste of time. What we're saying is, we'll give you a system for free. Invest in your own employee, invest in yourself, that how you can use the system, get a training. And your company might be qualified for a lot of different grant fund available from Department of Labor, from local workforce development boards, to train and retain your own employee. We are USDOL approved apprenticeship program, and we are pioneer in having a AI operator as an apprenticeship program, AI productivity tool, a developer, prompt engineer as an apprenticeship program. Give this opportunity of having a superpower for your employee. Give this opportunity to your own employee. They can learn the AI tool and will give you a system, and they will build everything for you. You will never need to hire an outside contractor or help, because your front office receptionist, your salesperson, your accountant, your bookkeeper, or your marketing person will know all the AI productivity tool. They already know your business. Whatever the tool is useful for your business, they'll know that and they will be utilizing. And the training is just 8 weeks. And you don't believe in this? We have a 1 day workshop, full day, 7 hour workshop that we're starting at Center for AI Technology at Ideal. It's in person. You can come in, send your employee. They bring with the laptop. Once you enroll, we'll send you a questionnaire about your business and work processes. They will actually work on tools that they can utilize in your own business in a 1 day. They will work on it and you try it. And if you like it, they see it, then they can think about it that, okay, this is a good system and they wanted to use it. Look out for those 1 day workshop schedule at Ideal. Now Ideal Institute of Technology is also expanding in Newark. So we have a Center for AI Technology in Newark also. And we will be hosting these workshops in a Newark, in a Pleasantville, New Jersey. And we are partnering with all the business associations, Chamber of Commerce, local professional associations. If your associations want to help your members and empower them with the AI productivity tools, Center for AI Technology at Ideal, it's your go-to place. We are subject matter expert. I can confidently say that once you have your employee experience or you experience for yourself that what AI productivity tools can do for your business, not just creating a video, not just creating a content. Because if you're owning a real estate company, you're owning a restaurant, you're a contractor, having a video content is the smallest need for your business. But having a conversation with the customer, reminding them about you send a code, doing the automation on a developing a code, those type of things is your day-to-day work. Learn how AI tool can do that for you. So that's a Center for AI Technology. We are doing a grand opening September 12th, 1000 West Washington Avenue, Pleasantville, New Jersey, and we're open for public. Right after September 12th, you guys can walk in Monday to Friday 9 to 5, reach out, check our website, www.CAITNJ.org. We are on a mission to make AI literacy for all. You don't have to be AI developer or a programmer, but you have to be AI literate for your day-to-day life. You can save 3 to 5 hours of your work, repetitive work every day. So don't miss this opportunity. Just check us out and we are here to help. If you're interested in learning about AI, if you're interested in learning about what is it that I can use it to generate revenue, increase revenue, then Center for AI Technology is must go to place. Doesn't matter what profession you are a teacher, you're an attorney, doctor, developer, marketer, sales rep, you must understand what is related to your business. Again, Ran Parikh from Ideal Institute of Technology. Super excited to have a conversation with you guys on an ongoing basis on what AI can do for you. Thank you.